A couple of nice days coming up. I think we can get a stripe going here. So paint job time for the Runaway van. See what we can do to tape this thing up and spray some paint on it and make it a little better looking. Looks like the crow agrees. Let's make it happen. Top stripe done. Only a million more stripes to go. Good look at it. It ain't too bad from 6 foot. Oh, let's get it in frame. I'm hitting everything. That'll work for me. I just have a bunch more stripes to do. Oh, let's get back here. Yeah, you can get before and after stripes. Day 2 of making stripes. This one's gonna be an easy one, so we're just gonna knock it out real quick. We won't waste your guys' time with all that kind of nonsense. We're just gonna paint it up and knock it out. Okay, to the painting. There we go, another stripe done. Not too shabby. Should do the job. It ain't perfect, but nothing is. And we avoided the rain so far, so let's keep it up and on to the next stripes. A little bit of overspray, but I can live with that. That's not too bad at all. Fix up our overspray. I'm happy with that. Yeah, it shows up pretty good. There you go. Before and after. Tiny bits of overspray, no big deal. Ran out of tape and paper, so we'll have to finish that piece tomorrow. But it gives you a before and after, I guess. Alright, on to day 3. We went and got more tape, so we taped up the stuff we got to paint yet. And we're just going to knock that out real fast. Shouldn't take much. And that way this damn thing is done. So I'm going to set you guys over here in the corner, and you can watch from there. Alright, have fun. Bluetooth magic, ta-da, all done. A little bit of touch-ups, not much overspray this round. Works for me, hopefully the sun comes back out. But, alright, stripes are cleaned up. We gotta do something about these, the letterings. A couple of things for letterings yet. And touch up any white stuff that's messed up. But I think it all looks pretty good so far. Gone is the name. That should work. Oh, gone there too. The front I didn't do the greatest on, but good enough. It's gone. Yesterday it got cold, but we got the lettering done. Alright, now it's officially the Runaway. Got it on the side too. This one I didn't line up the greatest. We may do another one, but he's there. Got our turtles back here. Says the Runaway up there. Around this corner too. There we go. That'll work for me. I'm happy with that. Adds a little style to it.